So today's event was the Inspiring Action Workshop. This is our 2-hour module on Superfast Business Wales. It's meant to be a very high-level overview of all types of digital technologies, covering cloud computing, social media, digital marketing, just the evolution of digital technologies and why businesses should look into the future and realize that digital technologies are here to stay and something that they need to be aware of. But we also had the additional added value of a Google presentation where he went over different aspects within Google about how to better prepare a business for search engine optimization, being able to use Google Analytics to get themselves better found on websites, and just a general overview about how to give themselves a better presence on the web.
We're here today at the Superfast Business Wales event. There was a talk from the Superfast Business Wales advisors about social media and websites and everything that your business can do to make itself look better online. And then there was a talk from Google Digital Garage about search engine optimization, analytics, and all the stuff you can do to know whether your website's really working for your company. My message is to business is that are a little behind times that are not embracing digital is to really embrace it. As a young person myself, I find that if businesses aren't online, I tend to not use them because it makes you trust them less. Why aren't they online? And a lot of people are asking these questions. If you're online, people can try before they buy, really, and it gives them a good insight into what you do before they come to you.
These days you've got to be so inclusive in what you do. You cannot just say, well, this is just what I do and everyone will walk past my door and they'll come in. The cloud is vital for a lot of working aspects. I mean, I use a lot of the software I use is on the cloud, back up to the cloud, file between customers and advertisers and my printer, it's all via the cloud. And that sort of services now, if your computer breaks or gets stolen or you get a flood in the office or something like that, you're not going to lose your business because it's all backed up, it's all safe and secure in the cloud.
The one thing I'm really taking away from today is the Google business. We do already use it, but I've realised we could do a lot more with it. And that linked into some of the other things that we talked about from a social media point of view and the way we can link social media into the Google business.
I feel really that the thing my company needs to action most urgently is getting on with mobile. Our website isn't all that mobile friendly at the moment. I feel it really needs to be because a lot of the companies we do work for are very high-end companies and they're going to be using mobile a lot more than they're going to be using desktops.